Landing page. When you talk about the website, your landing page also plays a vital role, where you're focusing on your CRO. Let us look at another example over here. Now, let me open a new tab and look for mobile phones. So let's take an example of e-commerce first. So we're having a beautiful landing page. Let's click on this and check how the landing page looks. So the major focus is on Poco, and this is called a landing page where the conversion rate can be optimized because they are trying to engage more. Let us enter into a non-e-commerce platform. Let's look for best MBA courses in Bangalore. Alright, now we have few options over here, which is an advertisement. Let's see how their landing page is looking like and what is their focus. Now, this is the landing page of Upgrade. Now, what is their focus? They're trying to watch a video. They want the user to watch a video. They want us to apply now and other options over here. And we can download the syllabus. So it's purely depends upon they are trying to convert a particular customer into a particular visitor into a customer. So your elements on your website plays a vital role. Now we have to drop our details over here where I get converted easily. Blog page. So when you talk about blog page, most of the businesses, they will be having a blog page. Now let's take an example. Benefits of digital marketing course. Now we will be getting a lot of paid result and unpaid results, which is called as SEO. Now let us pick this. So this is from quickbuzztrainings.com. So these people have created a draft of on blog where it gives the beautiful benefits. Why should someone take up a course on digital marketing? You can see the beautiful image at the top, which is again engaging, and you can see the pointers and sub pointers over here. Now, keeping this into consideration, we can focus on what we have to do and who is promoting it. It should be related. So they are into a training institute, especially digital marketing training institute, and they have written an article content for this digital marketing related content. Product page. The best example for product page is Amazon and Flipkart, where you can see a lot of options over here, which is too attractive for any user to make a customer, to become a customer. So you have beautiful fresh, gift cards, mobile pantry, Amazon Pay, Prime, today's deal. Alright, can you see this? So these are the best example for the product page, which is a part of content rate optimization. At last, check out suggestions. Now, you might have observed it when I'm adding a product to the cart. It would suggest you people also bought this particular thing together. Let's look at that. Amazon will give you suggestions. Along with this mobile, people are also buying a laptop brought together. Okay. Now, this is again a part of content rate optimization where a particular user becomes a customer. Then you can go ahead buying your product. So these are the major focus of CRO.